我有点害怕，突然。
We're going live.
脑子空白了。
We are already on that.
Oh, okay.
So you guys can see the frame? No, not yet. Yeah. All right, good.
Say hi to everybody in the room.
Hi.
Hello. So hello everyone and welcome back to Seed channel Making Next Gadget. I am Shuyang.
I'm Kevin.
And really nice to meet you guys. So today, Kevin, what we are going to share with us today?
I think a lot of things. I got some updates from the Watcher for the hardware side. Also, today our focus is on software side. Yeah, this is our second episode.
So the focus is SenseCAP Watcher. How about in case somebody doesn't know Watcher, could you give us a brief introduction first?
Sure.
What is SenseCAP Watcher?
Is Watcher. And it's an AI agent in your space, like your home. It can help you monitor your space, detect the anomaly, and take action for you. So it's a AI gadget that know your intention and help you, manage your space. Yeah, such a tiny AI camera gadget.
Okay. I think this is our second live stream, second section about SenseCAP Watcher. Before, I think we to give an introduction of the hardware part of the SenseCAP Watcher. And in that episode, we even going so far to disassemble it and share the hardware design, even the layout part. So if you want to revisit that episode, please feel free to click the link here. Or PP, could you help me to send the link in the chat box?
Yeah.
So
you guys can save the link after this live stream too. Yeah.
Yes. And today we are going to dive into the software behind the SenseCAP Watcher, and we are so excited to share this. It's because we think the trend is the AI hardware. So one of the Making Next Gadget, the next gadget is the AI hardware. So it means that the hardware has the capability of the AI infused with AI is kind of the trend. So we, with the SenseCAP Watcher, we have built the software framework to bring the capability of the LLMs to the very end, to the end point of the physical world. And we think this software framework can be used by other AI hardware. So if you happens to building one, I think this episode, these sessions might be helpful for you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So shall we dive into?
Yeah, but I know that before we dive into that, you have some exciting gifts for our audience today in our live stream, right?
Sure, just in this live stream. So I have 3, fresh unit, totally brand new. And I will, just send those unit for 3, lucky
winner
watcher.
So we are going to give away 3 watchers.
Yeah, but how? Right.
Stay with us. We will let you know later. And before we dive into the software part, I see many familiar faces in our room, like Fly Goose. So this followers actually follows the SenseCAP Watcher for quite a while. So how about give us some quick updates for SenseCAP Watcher first?
Sure, 1 second. Yes. First, for past 1 month, time really flies. I have some few updates, actually a lot. We build software, make it more easier to use, make the OTA available, and better task assignment process. And a lot of other features, both on the software side, app side, or on the embedded software side. So the firmware version update, like 2 versions. And today I will show you what's behind this later. Yeah. So I think the most exciting feature today we can do demonstration is the emoji. In last episode, we shared the watcher can replace some of the emoji you're designed by yourself. You want this device to be unique, just belongs to you. So today, let me switch to this camera.
You have a sticker.
Yeah.
So for the winner who wins the SenseCAP Watcher, they can also get one, right?
Definitely. All right, I got phone. Yeah. So right now the app's name changed to SenseCraft, and you can see there's another device in like the tracker, temperature sensor. So it's original SenseCAP products. So today the official iOS, Android already supported Watcher. You can download it publicly. Yeah, but I know you will get a device soon.
It seems like it's an app that can manage a lot of different C devices.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, a lot. Like this one, LoRaWAN device and tracker. Our famous, tracker. Actually, next year we did a Kickstarter campaign. Yeah. So let's dive into the emoji part. Yeah, click the watcher. So everything is good on the screen. Good. Okay, tap the button, and here is the animation. So once we enter the app, the app will automatically pair with the device right now. So here we list a lot of working mode and a standby, listening, speaking, and watching space. Watching space means you already have a task running, and the appearance is controlled by the set of the icons. So right now I need to customize it. And which one do you like? Maybe the first one.
The first one.
Okay. So, and we can add it to here. So it will, the 5 frame will doing an animation. So let's upload to Watcher. Right now, it will upload those emoji to the server first and download to the Watcher.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
right now it's happening. Yeah, got it.
Okay.
All right. So the device did reboot. I will just navigate to the setting. Press. Yeah. Reboot. Neat.
So is that mean? Can I understand in this way? For Watcher, it has different working states, like listening, if you're typing the command to it.
Yes.
And watching if you successfully deliver the commands to it. And for each state, I can upload my own design of the emoji. And even for people like me with the terrible coding skills, is able to do this without doing any coding to upload any kind of emoji.
Yes. Yes.
Awesome.
So it's almost done, and right now we'll send. We'll just maybe a people detection. Press. Now it will just like watching the space. When
it's cool.
the situation happens, it will just doing the alert. Well, that's the emoji part for today's first demo.
The default one is the C3PO.
And you can see this is the keyframe catches, and also we already support the detect history. You can tap into the history and see the list, but right now it only has one. Tap the, you can see the keyframe. Yeah, that's a brief intro of the software update. We also have the OTA radio. It will automatically OTA the firmware. Just already finished. So that's first demo.
The emoji one.
Yes.
And what else update do you have?
Let's talk about the hardware first. Yeah, right now you see a picture as we are right now doing the small batch panel run in the factory right now. We got a few, yeah, actually like around 100 devices already being produced. The PCBA, the assembly, and two versions. One is yeah, the white enclosure, and another one is transparent, just like this one. Yeah, this one. All right. So
Only
yeah.
100 pieces?
Yes.
It sounds like it's a trial run.
We have to do some trial run. Yeah, for materials, we already prepared much more. But when we trying to produce, we have split it into small batches. Yeah.
So it's like you want to make, before the mass production, you want to make sure the product is manufacturable.
Yes.
And to see if the design, everything is good.
Yes, yes. So building a hardware is difficult, and for the design stage, yeah, the main purpose is creating a new things like this new things never existed before, and from 0 to 1. And for manufacturing, you have to make sure from 1 to 1,000 or even more 10Ks, and you stays the same performance and quality as the first one. So that's the purpose we want to give parallel run, small batches, and optimize the SOPs, doing some like the reliability test, certification test, kind of things.
I see. That's hard. And that's the production part. And what else? I know you have one more thing that you can share with us.
Yes. I think that's our packaging stuff. You will see a picture that the watcher sits on a stand, and I will share some concept when we design the product packaging stuff. And this is our packaging, a piece of paper. We choose paper because we think it's more environment friendly. And let me switch to here. It's just a piece of paper, but we will turn it to a watcher package. It has a sleeve and give it more protective when doing the delivery or shipping. And when you open it, let's say SenseCAP Watcher. Okay, and the watcher is in the center of the packaging internally, being well protected. We have done some of the drop-in testing, and now I will show you how to transform it. Okay, so first we take out this part. And all the accessories is put in its stomach. What kind of accessories? Your default powering cable. We have a 360-degree kickstand. We also
it's for wall mount.
Yeah, have such a tripod stand. Yeah. We also, for the transparent version, we have the transfer accessories, and have a 3M tab for help you mounting to the walls or other places. That's accessories. So I will not tear this part, but so the magic happen is we will just flip it, and here we have oh, by the way, that's a back. We have the SenseCAP screen already printed on the case.
That's a new update.
Yes. Flip it, insert to this hole. Yes. Lock it. It's just, and flip this stand, insert it. Yeah. Just like this, and put the Watcher inside of it. And now we still have the USB port, leave a hole here to power it like this. And yeah, that's packaging stuff.
That's a really neat design.
Hope you guys like it.
Reusable package, and it can also work as a stand.
Yeah, and all those units shipping to the lucky users will come with the finalized packaging. Yeah, that's for the packaging part.
So I think that's all for the updates parts. We cover everything for the update.
Sure. I can't wait to join the software part because it already takes around 15 minutes.
Easy peasy. I think before we dive into the software part, we need to giving away our first SenseCAP Watcher.
Okay.
How about that?
Okay.
So let's see if I can make this clear. This is how we're gonna do the giving away. So Kevin, you pick a number from 0 to 9.
Okay, that's easy.
And then you guys in front of over the air can also pick a number from 0 to 9. And then Kevin, you put the number that in your mind on a piece of paper.
Okay.
Please keep it hidden from us.
Yeah. Paper, 3 number. I'll write it down. It's empty.
Okay.
I will write it right now.
Okay. And then PP, I will give you a signal, say round 1, go. And after you type in the text round 1, go in the chat box, and you guys who already have the number that you guessed, you can type in the numbers in the chat box. And for the very first person that type in the same numbers as what Kevin writes down, then you will be the winner of the watcher. So is it clear?
I
hope
already
it's clear.
finished it.
Okay.
In case we are not getting it, I will put the tracker always. Oh, put the sticker.
Do you think people can
here.
tell what number you write down according to your gesture?
Already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, doing my job very
Okay,
well.
thanks,
Yeah.
Kevin.
So.
Then, PB, are you ready? And you guys ready? Then, round 1, go. Let's see what numbers that you guess.
Oh, it's a number, not a carrier.
It's from 0 to 9, not alphabet. From 0 to 9.
So shall we just flip the first one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is the first one?
Dun-dun. Oh.
So it's a...
6.
Okay, it's a 6.
Yeah.
6. Who is the winner? Oh, by the way, PP, so if we pick the winner, should I ask them to contact an email address or you will contact them? Ah, okay. Then who is the winner? Since we're running out of time, so PP, can you announce the winner in a chat box and also, okay, awesome. You're awesome.
Well, I think the first user just to say, inputted the right answer. Fernando. You read my mind.
Ah, okay. Congratulations, Fernando.
Yeah, that's the first.
Hope you enjoy the product, and we're looking forward to your feedback on this. Okay,
all right.
Then let's kick off the main section today, the software part.
Okay.
But before you dive in all the tech details, how about a demo first, and then you use this demo to kind of break down the software pieces for us?
Sure. Today I will not go into flexible demos. I will use a very simple one as a default one and use that demo and break down step by step, layer by layer, what behind this in our services and in the firmware side. Okay. So let's select one task is detecting the people. And let me copy it. Stop the current one. First, stop the current and send. If the person device plays sound, yes, it now supports plays the sound. And let's check the detail. So it SEMS use a local model, and there's push notification on the screen, and there's a sound notification like a watcher and AI bot. So let's run. So right now it will send a task to the watcher. Yeah, for those who the first time watch this video, this will help you guys know a little bit more about how it works. Now it will send in the task. So yes, okay, yeah, maybe some network jam. It's receiving the task, and right now, if it fits to Shuyang, yeah,
I hear you.
I am a watcher and AI bot. So that's what's happening on the device. Let's dive into the software part. Okay.
So this is the infrastructure that enabled this.
Yes. So this infrastructure we already shared in last episode. It has two parts: the device part, the services part. Guys, can you? Okay. All right. So it has two parts: the device and the SenseCraft part. And today I want to focus one thing: is how we doing the orchestration. Is the task orchestration, because I think that's a key part to help the watcher knowing what's your intention when you assign a new task, right? And here is the logic behind it. This little picture, let me move us a little bit further. Okay. So we build a task orchestration engine in the service A. And its main job is take the command, take the task command from like just now in the app, or push talk later we were developing. And there's a casing we call the prompt engineering for large language model. Yes, we use large language model. That's a key difference for such a little device, different with other like IPC or, yeah. So the prompt engineering will help the large language model to understand your intention. And such, there are some blue tasks. It will know what kind of the task you want to perform, and which model you want to use, which model we should go to the local one or go to the large language model, and what kind of actions you want to take. That's the main purpose. And there's few more. We have different pieces, the prompt engineering, multiple layer. And yeah, during each step, it will output a specific formatted JSON file, and the next step, they will just bundle the JSON file together. But when we before we dive into the JSON file, I will show you what is a prompt engineering. If it's a very basic prompt engineering I will share today. Like this one. This is step to check which kind of model we want to use. Because large language model is generic large language model, it can do almost everything, but it needs some context. So this prompt engineering is input some context. Like we have a few on-device model here. You need to do some step in order. make the sentence part clear, because not everybody send the format is the same, and make some replace the words, and yeah, delete the time and space, because the time and space will take care by other prompt. So that's, and force the large language model to output it like a standard JSON file that match the people, match the pet or the cat, and output it. That's one piece of JSON file, but it will have several pieces, like 7 or 8 pieces of small piece of JSON file, and that JSON file will finally be assembled in this step to a bigger JSON file. And here it is. Yeah, if you do not understand all of this, it's okay, because I will dive into later. It has task IDs and the time, and the task flow is it will first choose which kind of model we need to use for AI camera. And okay, for this time we use people detection. We use YOLO. Swift, we just fine-tuning it. And it's based on TensorFlow Lite. That's class is for person detection. We have different classes. And this time the condition is when the detected people and the number of people is greater than 0, it should make an alert. And here is the time from Monday to Sunday. If it's 1, it means it repeat all the time from the beginning to the end. So it will always run this command. And yeah, that's the alarm trigger, trigger something, trigger the text to show up in the UI, trigger the audio sound that the watcher should play. Yeah, that's, and the local alarm should be, there is a sound, there is RGB or image testing test.
That's a good prompt. That's a good prompt, because you tell the LLMs that the job that it's doing, and also kind of format it as output, and make sure that the watchers can understand the things that from the LLMs.
Yes. Okay. So what?
But, sorry, I also have one question. So for this workflow,
yeah.
Kevin, do you think that I understand this in this way is correct? So for the new task, you guys are feeding this new text with the prompt package that you guys provide to the LLM, and then LLM,
yeah.
and then LLM kind of analysis your task layer by layers, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And you can see from the JSON file, actually, what the JSON file does is already in this like the task configuration. So it works with an app that determines it's using local model. The person is greater than 0. So basically the same. And if you want to enable the light, you just give it a second try. And you also can customize the command, the words showing on the device and the sound. So that's the task orchestration first part. I think the first big part is to understand your intention. And the next part will be how the device performs. Right.
I love the features that you guys put here. Because if it's the LM interpreting your purpose, your intention, and it has the possibility to understand your intention in a wrong way. So you guys kind of leave this feature here to give the users the opportunity to correct the understanding of the interpretation from the LLMs.
Yes, as you guys may know, the large language model is evolving very fast, like week by week. and its capability is always growing. But natural language model is not so perfect right now, so maybe it understands your intention. It's not so perfect.
100% correct.
Yeah, so you can just have a second chance to correct it.
That's thoughtful.
Yeah. And I think that's for the first part for the task orchestration, right?
So the key output from this orchestration is the JSON file, and it is the JSON file to decide how the watchers work, right? How watchers act.
Yes.
So can you tell us, like, after this JSON file fed into Watcher, then what's next? How it processed this file?
Yes, that's the topic I will talk on the embedded software side. Oh. Yeah. But do we need to see how people's, if they have questions for that? Yeah.
I think we can.
Well, seems not. But you guys are our team member. You can reply all the questions instantly in case we are not so responsible. Oh, responsive. How's the sound now? Oh, okay. Or it's still in development? Yes, I think all the software is, the hardware is almost done, and the software is in developing, both on the app side, the service side, and the embedded software side. Yeah. How now is speakers? Yeah, I think the device is put into your home or like your living room. So a few meters range is its capability.
It's for near field interaction.
Yes. All right, so next part is the embedded software. Yeah, once the service is ready for sending the JSON file to the watcher via MQTT, and here is a diagram for watcher. This time we use, as you know, in last episode we use ESP32. It's very popular in the developer side, and it's kind of a powerful MCU. And so we choose to use ESP-IDF as the framework. We built some the BSP for this watcher. Like there's a minor change on the hardware. We need to port in some drivers, and that's the basic things. All right.
Thank you, Violet.
We got the message. And for the embedded software side, we have 3 key parts. One is application, and the display UI, and the task flow. The application takes the basic the function like connecting the Wi-Fi, pushing the data to the cloud, the SenseCraft cloud, and the BLE pairing with the phone stuff. It's the basic functions. And the UI just to help you understand what's happening right now. And they have view module, UI managers to take care. We use the LVGL to create the UI. Creating a UI in embedded device is much, MCU is much difficult than like a phone. But yes, this time we use LVGL. And the next part is most important part. That part interactive with the cloud side is a task flow. We create a stuff called blocks. Each of the blocks has each purposes. It's AI camera, it can do image analyzer, it has a different method of doing alarm. So you can see The on the right corner, upper corner, there's blocks, and the blocks is connected. So it winner from the load rate architecture. We build different blocks, and the different blocks can be connected, and the data can flow between them, and it's very easy to do the task orchestration. Like it will decode the JSON file first, and then the watcher will know which kind of blocks, which kind of function I need to use, and how I enable it or disable it. It just perform like that. Yeah, that's a block.
So can I just use the demo that you just showed as an example? So in your detail config, you say, oh, I want the local alarm, like the flashing RGB. And then it kind of become a trigger in this JSON file. And once the JSON file fed to the watcher, then the local alarm, this block, will understand, oh, I need to work right now. I need to give the RGB flashing as an alert, right?
Yes. Let me show you something. Okay, 1 second. All right, this is the source code in the software side. As you can see, here is, we use IDF, and this part we wrote some BSP for the watcher. Just configure some special stuff, the LCD, and we handle different like the I/O expanders. So that's the BSP. And for the firmware side, we have example. And the first example is the factory firmware. And inside, you will see there is a main folder. It has applications. This part taking care of the audio stuff, the BLE. Each application has a save file and header file. In the C, there are different functions can perform what we expected.
Let's see, basic function of watcher.
Yes, that's the app side. And here we have two main part is the task flow engine and the task flow module. The task flow module is the blocks I mentioned before. And the engine is to coordinate all the blocks and let them how to work appropriately. And for each block, they have different stage. You have to start the blocks and apply for some of the run, and then run, and then clear the blocks to save some memories. So that's an engine take care of that part. And those are the blocks. And right now, you just mentioned that if we wanted to add a new block, like a new feature or skills for the watcher, like we already put the hardware interface underneath it, and if it need to output some alert locally, yes, we have built another block, and here is how we can build this. Okay. Oh, by the way, here is our wiki page for the watcher. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you guys can help, send the link to the group, and it's more detailed than I'm talking right now. So if you want to dive into it, just go to the wiki page. And here we have the IDF ready, and There's IDF ready, and there's our folder for that.
So Karen, now you're trying to add a new function to the firmware, right?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of function you're going to add?
Ready?
Video 不见了。那我们还有声音吗？ Can you still hear
Is
us?
good or not?
So
All right.
video's back, voice back, everything's good.
Yeah, Frank, you should always stay here.
Okay.
Yes, and you can see I wrote an extra module for local alarm. The only thing we need to do is to add the save file to the folder, to the block folder task flow, and then we, in the IDF, we need to build those one. Yes, I know it's really fast because I already built it. For the first time, it will take minutes to build the whole project, but we don't have enough time for here. And then we need to upload the firmware. Yeah, it's pretty much a thing, just connect a watcher and just tap the flash command, it will automatically flash the firmware. If you're familiar with the ESP32 development, that's a standard procedure. That's for adding a new block. And when a new block added, it will belong to here. And yeah, definitely you will call those function in the engine, and it will perform as you expected. So that's something we want to bring to the developer side to make it kind of easy for them to add in new functions. Yeah.
Adding new functions. So may I ask, is it can I say it is the benefits of designing the firmware with the concept of blocks?
Yes. Technically, you can just write one file to all the functions, but it's not easy to maintain. It's not easy to co-work with different team members, and it's critically difficult to to open source it and invite all the developers in the world to join us to build new functions. So that's why we wanted to make architecture, as I shared, and to bring a concept like blocks, and it will be extremely low coupling and easy for them to add in new functions. Yeah.
So it sounds like this the design of this firmware is really flexible, just like what you said. It's really easy to expand the functionality, and at the same time, it can work independently. So it means every time if you update a new block or add a new function, it has the minimum impact on other blocks to make sure the system's robust, right?
Yes. People taking care of different parts, they just are responsible for their reliabilities, and when putting together, it should be fun. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's an architecture for co-work.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. What do we have today? Okay. We have talk about the blocks. Shall we share a demo?
Yeah. Since you already built the UR block, how about we just reuse that?
To saving the time, I think we already have a demo ready, flashed over there, the Citric. Citric is our application engineering. Hey, come on. It's a demo. It's a watcher, and we have put a shell and the display to it. Will hook it up by a wire. Why? Why doing this? Is it weird? No, because I think most of our old friends, and they are familiar with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or the other MCU platform. They build a robot and they build some AI wearable stuff. And right now it maybe just missing one AI camera and the sensor. So this function is for that part. Is we have the intelligence here, and we can output the result num to another system via UART. So that's a demo I want to share today. Is now you can see. That's the watcher, that's the Xiao. Yes, our frame is Xiao. Xiao performs a host MCU. Here it will, when there's some message coming from the watcher, it will change the look. So let me just, okay. So it detects people, and now, yeah, you guys can hear it. Able to greeting greet people with sound. Is that good? Yeah, just for the traditional one, use wire to transmit the result.
That's cool. That already opens a lot of possibility. It's kind of a new type of sensors.
Yeah, you can build your take this AI camera to your already Xiao famous project.
Or any other kind of mainstream controller board like Raspberry Pi or
yes,
Arduino.
SBCs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Then, so Kevin, you have shown us that the watcher output the message or output the alert all through the app notification and also through the UART port. But how about what if I want to stream the output to the other places?
Like in the web world?
Yeah, like internet.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, and you know the watcher goes to our cloud and SenseCraft AI. And yes, we will have a private deployment as well. Don't worry about that. And
so don't have to go through our API, right?
Yes. Okay. But this time we will share a few demos based on our API.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first, there are a few platforms that we can interactive with, like the if TTT, if then, do what. So it's basically a platform that can route all the message or the alert to like your email, your like the phone or other platform. And the next one is Telegram and Twilio for sending SM message to your phone. So
how about Home Assistant?
Sure.
Oh.
The first I record a few videos. It's very short. Here. Now you guys can see it, right? So the first part is you have to, let me bring a little back. Go to the FTTT, create your own applet, and here go to load rate. You can install load rate on your computer or Raspberry Pi or any other Docker anywhere you want. And they're creating some blocks. And get the first part is people detection from using the API from our SenseCraft AI, and push the data to the function, and the function will go to use HTTPS to the FTTT. Right now, it will let's say send a new task, and the watcher will detect people. That's Alan.
Hi, Alan.
Now you got the message in. Yeah, come on. All right, that's the first one. The second one is for the Telegram. Telegram, everybody uses Telegram, right? And you can also get the message from it. It's basically the same. Get the AKK and deploy it. And
I think the same rule can apply to WhatsApp, right?
WhatsApp?
Yes.
No, I think Alan can tell me. No.
Alan says, of course.
That's a task for next week. All right.
Oh, we use Telegram bot, right?
Yes. And you can also send the keyframe to the Telegram. That's a second one. This is third one for Twilio. Twilio is a platform that can handle all the message stuff like the SNS. So it's pretty much a thing. And
SenseClow.
yeah, SenseCraft. Oh, nice wallpaper. Sending a task, configure.
So since it's IFTTT is supported, that means also the watcher can be connected to Google Home, to your, also send a notification to your Apple Watch, like all this, your appliance, right?
It can go everywhere that's IFTTT support right now.
That's pretty neat.
All right, that's few demos for integration in the website.
Okay, then so Kevin, today's software you have covered the task orchestration and also the block design. And I know you have a lot of other stuff that on your framework. Then how about the other content?
Yes, I think today we covered a few, but there's a lot is ongoing. It's engineering, they are already working very hard there. So I'm just a speaker to show part of their hard working to public. But yeah, thank you, team. And
we should bring them up when there's
sure
a good timing.
But since I already said that this is an open source project, I know you are not having the source code right now because we want to build it more reliable before we can go to public. So, but today I will say it will be an open source project. So we definitely have an open roadmap for that. That's the open map. I just share some of the open map, both on the software and embedded software and the services side. We have a lot of things in our mind, but just to share a few here. On the watcher side, we need to fulfill the push talk function, just like pushing the button for "Hey Siri, how's it going on?" Yeah, kind of feature.
Which button you're referring?
Yeah, this one. Yeah, I just press like a walkie-talkie. Yeah, so hey, watcher, can you help monitoring space if someone or delivery come in? Notify me. Yes, please see here.
I see. Oh, by the way, this is my watcher. See, I have the white wheel here. It's limited edition.
Yeah, early build. Yeah.
It's early prototype. Well, you guys are having a better one, but mine is special.
Yeah, sure. Yes, that's for the push talk. We will building other function like the remote taking pictures, because you are not always want abnormally happens, but you want to check what's going on the side, even you know nothing happening. So it will take pictures into the platform, and you can check it.
So it's a remote trigger to take the picture.
Yeah, a stream. Yeah,
okay.
A picture stream.
Okay.
So as you mentioned, can we the device just send a message to other places? Yes, we are building the function for that. It can send the notification directly into a place. Yeah.
Like through MQTT directly.
Yeah, through MQTT directly. But we are thinking that we should build a bridge engine for that to make it more adaptable for different platforms, because different platforms have different integration rules. That will be a little difficult for such a device to handle. But we can build an engine for that, a bridge engine. And you guys can contribute to the engine, to make it more flexible,
and extensible.
Yeah, so, and the next part is which will happening, maybe 2 months later. is watcher sensor extensions. Yeah, for now, the device uses the camera to do the natural language model sense, analyze the space. But we do think in the future we need more aspect like the sound, because when there's a sound or such abnormal sound happens, yeah, you should do something. But maybe you still need, if the temperature goes below to 0, that's a kind of a situation, or higher than that is movement in moving or not. So we leave this port, a group port for that. That's a sensor integrations. And yes, we will do that.
Wow, that sounds like it's not just multimodal, it's infinite modal. Can I say that?
Yeah, you tell me. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, I can say that.
All right. So that's for the embedded side. And for the SenseCraft side, we are working hard on the private deployment shoot. We are transferring, we want to build a tool or software shoot to help you guys to transfer your current computer into a server. So the server is in your local, no need to external network connectings. Maybe in some places there's a lack of the network because in center of the desert somewhere, yeah, you know. So, and we will support it, build a suite for that. You just one click install that, like on Windows or Mac or.
So it's a EXE.
Windows for EXE and Mac is other installers. And,
that's cool.
Yeah.
No need terminal.
And I mentioned the message agent, direct message agent will be part of it. And yeah, that's just the infrastructure. But actually, if we want to make the device more capable, we should working on very hard on the model side, right? As the large language involving the on-device model, we are still trying to build more models or optimize the models, the performance, higher performance. So we, after the next release, we're working on bring more models to the open source project. Yeah.
Awesome. And the on-device model one, are you going to have many? Like how? Like?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot?
Over 100.
But
yeah.
Does that mean that Watcher can only recognize the object that in the pre-trained model? Should I worry about that?
No worry about that. Yes, the reason why we want to build some on-device model is just want to bring some efficiencies, more efficiencies, or some specific areas that you have. You're living in some places that you have the Python just in front of your house, which is scary. You want to detect that, but there's no model for that. But in the future, if you take a few pictures and build your own model, and it will instantly get the image that Python is swimming by. Yeah. Okay, that's for the model, on-device model. But don't worry. If right now today you just send any command you want, if there's no on-device model, the natural language will take care of that. Yeah.
Okay. So it recognizes what the large language model recognizes.
Sure.
Okay, then that's the open roadmap. What else we need to cover, Kevin? I think today we have. I think by now we have covered all the key points that we would like to deliver.
Yeah.
Okay. Then how about we start with our second giveaway watcher?
All right. Okay, guys, you're ready?
In case someone haven't, for the people that haven't joined our first giveaway or just join in, let me have a quickly recap about how we're going to do this, the giveaway. So Kevin, you will pick a random number from 0 to 9, and then you write down on this piece of paper, on a sticker of Watcher. And then you guys from over the air can also have a number in your mind from 0 to 9. And PP will send out a signal in the chat box, say round 2, go. And then when you see this text in the chat box, type in the numbers that in your mind. And for the first person who type in the same number,
I just wrote
that as Kevin wrote, then you will be the winner of our Watcher. Not the limited edition one, but the new one.
Yeah, there's already one has a host, right? We
okay.
have rest of 2. Okay.
Well, then, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready? So, PB, round 2, go.
The second number goes to.
It's what? 6.
Yeah. Why not?
Okay. 6, 6.
Okay, so the first.
Can I say the third one is 6? Is it?
Yeah, the third one is 6.
Really?
Do you trust it?
Okay, then we will see. So do we have a winner? Okay.
Chris Clark.
Congratulations, Chris Clark.
We have.
Well, you see through Kevin's mind. How do you know he's going to have the second 6? See, he's the very first one.
Yes, very first one.
Okay, then we are going to do this one more time. We are going to give away the last one SenseCAP Watcher.
Yes.
You ready? You guys ready? Round 3, go. Okay.
All right, let me see what the number is.
Violet, password.
Password?
No, nothing.
Oh.
So Violet is really thoughtful. He helped us to summarize all the questions so that we do not need to scroll down
Okay.
to all the comments. Thanks, Violet.
6.
Really?
Really? Actually, those number is for yes, is kind of yeah.
6 6 6 6
In Chinese is 6 6 6 6 6. It's just inferring that it's gonna be very good. It's everything is smooth, and hoping for all the best to our R&D teams and the Watcher team that everything should be going very well. 6 6 6.
Huh? Oh.
Okay.
This is also the wishes that you are giving to everyone in the room. 好的，已经分开了。
Okay.
Okay. Then, congrats to all the winners. We are looking forward to hear your feedback, no matter it's the positive one or the negative one. We're open for that. And yeah.
The 6 is upside down. Is supposed to be 9.
So Kevin, here's the questions that I think we should take a look first to see what answer we can provide.
So the first question is about the open source. Yes, it will be open source, and both on the hardware side, the hardware software side, and what the code I already showed will be open source. And also the private deployment, we will open source the like what I mentioned, the prompt engineering, the task orchestration stuff to help you deploy it in your computer, or Jetson. So the second one is is a cable only for power? Can it be self-powered? The cable is we have a small battery inside to help it doing some job when deployment And for non-turn use, yes, you have to connect with the cable. All right. How about make us bigger?
Okay.
Yeah, that's more close to you guys.
Okay.
Is it hackable? Yeah, since it's open source, that day when going to public, you can contribute this. We should do that for the project. And yes, if you have higher skills, you can hack it. Is there? I'm thinking, can this be integrated with the AI kit? Which AI kit you're mentioning about? Yeah, like you can integrate with multiple platforms if it's AI, the kit. Sorry, I don't get it. The AI kit.
Which one?
Yeah, this one.
I'm thinking, can it be integrated? May I ask, are you want to use integrate this one to a robot? That's possible if you're saying this, because it has the output from the UART, or how about SPI or just UART and I2C?
Yeah, I2C, UART, and a couple of IOs.
Okay, so feel free to make Watcher as the head of your robot.
Is there the ability to add a speaker with a current hardware? Current hardware do have a speaker, small one here. Yes, so don't worry about the speaker part. And it can detect humans, but can it detect the cat? Yes, it can detect the pets like dog, cat. It's all using the on-device model, but if you have some special pets, the large language model can help with that.
Not just people or pet, tap into the large language model, it detects thousands of objects, cup, hair, I don't know, you name it. Box, carton box, bike, car.
Yes, and based on the UI is based on LVGL, is a good balance. Thank you, and such a solid platform. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Here we have another question: is external LoRa radio for remote watching and reporting? Excellent. That's something because last episode, Joey shared about the LoRa stuff, mesh test stuff, and the LoRa one. We are building a small module for that, and we are trying to connect LoRa stuff to the Watcher. Just stay tuned. So all the starts with MQTT for notifiers. Yes. And the notification goes to the different platform use MQTT, and the JSON file, like I mentioned, is also be downloaded from via MQTT. Yeah, I think.
One asked for Slack.
Oh, good.
Alan,
you got a new job for Slack integration. All right. So next question, what is the cost? Give me your number. All right. Guys, you can share what's your target price for such a gadget. Just print it, just send a number into the group. And I think, how about we add an extra gift for that, but not today. You guys send in the target price in the live stream, and PP, you can take some screenshot. Violet, you can take some screenshot about those people sending the target price, and we can just store that until the first day we go into public. The price, first user says a correct price, a retail price, we will send you a free unit. Cool?
Cool. That's a good one.
25 USD. Yes. 6 USD. Yeah. Please 35, 66, 60, 49, 70. Okay, guys, you can just send your numbers. And do we have other things to?
Yeah, we have
talk
questions
today?
here. So how and when? How and when to buy it?
Yeah, yeah. Since I already said we build, like 100 of device, we cannot wait to ship it today. But
We are going to launch Kickstarter, right?
yes.
Yeah, so we want to go Kickstarter because we think Kickstarter is a really good platform to spread to spread the words out, and also to meet new group of people and expand our community. So please stay tuned with us and then back us when we launch that. And we think we are going to launch our Kickstarter campaign in August, early August.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm currently preparing for the Kickstarter video for that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So since we have one extra task, yes, PP just send a. All right. Oh, and survey, and you guys can help us to choose which part is your favorite part for the watcher, and that will help us to put more effort around that.
Emoji package extension. I think you're missing a really important part. That's the on-device AI and the LLM part. Oh, is your okay? Then it's default setting. Okay.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Not yet. I forgot to share the next picture. Is the cast.
Yeah. Thanks, Kevin.
Okay. So.
It's the front page of a Kickstarter campaign.
Lovely.
We're going to launch the pre-launch page very soon. So keep an eye on us.
And hope you guys can help us back this project. And I think during the KS, we will do like AMA live stream together. Well, yeah.
I think there's a lot of contents that we need to talk about next time, because in the software part, there's still a lot.
Still not covered yet.
Yeah.
I think there's how to train in your own models, update your model to the SenseCraft AI platform, how we can leverage the local computer to perform as a server.
Yeah.
Yes, we definitely will have next episode for that. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think that's all for today.
Violet, you already taken the screenshot? Yeah. All right. So I think I already done my job today.
I think me too. Kevin and I feel really honored to, as the representative of giving this sharing, giving this sharing about SenseCAP Watcher software, because we know there's a lot of talented people giving their thoughts about this product, and Justin, Jackin, Jack. Oh, they all start with J.
Yeah.
And Eric and Joey, and so.
Yes. Yes, because when we're preparing for this episode, we kind of nervous about it, because we're scaring that if our speaks do not bring all the valuable things to the users, and that will, kind of not so good for our whole team. But
we can pick this up
yeah.
in next episode.
Yes, but yes, we will continue doing better for next time, and hope you, all the audience right now,
Feel
have
hopeful.
a good one, and see you for next time.
Okay, so if you're interested in what we are sharing, please subscribe our channel, and also we have a dedicated Discord channel for SenseCAP Watcher. So if you want to join the discussion with us and the community, then please, PB, could you type in? Could you give the link of our Discord server? Yeah. So that's all for today. See you all in the next one.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a good day. Kevin, you haven't. We clap for ourselves. Come on, you. Yeah, 没有停.
Why not? Yeah.
Okay, and.
Oh, there is some latency, so we need to wait until this part already be.
Then we should learn from the host of the news, which the 整理那些.
Give me the green light to close it.
Okay.